Welcome back to the farm. So this video is going to be about us prepping for our farm shop, getting the foundation dug and poured, ready to go for building. So follow along, check out this video.
Actually, I don't think you're gonna be able to get what you're wanting.
It's supposed to go like right here, but like it just doesn't look right. And I just don't know. I don't know how else I don't know how Gary expected me to do this when like we weren't doing a traditional foundation and we weren't doing our stem wall and we weren't doing a flat surface. It was just gonna be a monolithic slab. So how was I supposed to get these guys tried to get it as flat as they could, but I can call it. It's all framed up. We got rebar going in, 2-foot insulation. Thanks for watching our video. The next video we share about the farm shop will be us putting up the walls, getting it framed out, and then we'll show you what we're going to do for windows, exterior siding, insulation, all that kind of stuff. Should be exciting. So follow along. If you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please those in the comments. We'll be happy to answer those for you. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Check out these bloopers. Farm shop. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching our video. The next